He's spinning. Shark, he's spinning. Whoa, he's spinning.
개울포도 괜히 베개인데?
Maybe. Shake spinny. Oh, why shark no spinny? Shark spinny. Quick spin.
你们想去看那个
He not spinning. It's not cool.
생년호 야도샤도 테레사 어리산 그 햄스터랑 다 동시에 그 햄스터.
Hell yeah. He's spinning. Shark spinning. Oh my god, shark spinning. Is he getting filled with water? Oh my god, shark spinning. Whoa, this is so cool. It's gonna be okay, Sharky. You're gonna be clean. Huh? Is he wet yet? Ah. Oh, water! Water! Wow! He's wet, soapy.
It's gonna become deflated.
Oh, he gonna be wet and soapy.
Where's the water?
Wow!
I don't see him wet.
You see it now? Oh! Wow! Oh, it's becoming foggy. Oh, I no longer see a shark properly. It's soggy. Ah. Oh, very cool, very cool. Can see soapy shark inside. He's flopping like shark. Oh, he's slapping the glass. It's okay, calm down. It's okay, calm down, okay? It's gonna be okay. He's all soapy now. Whoa. Whoa, he's becoming filled with water. Look at him. He's getting fat. He's like a ball. Oh, he's like a ball. They're adding more water to Shark. Shark is eating up all the water. Shark is consuming all the water. Look how wet he is. He big slobbery. More water. Even more water is adding in. Oh, he got soggy nose. Boop. Boop, soggy nose. Oh. Whoa. He's spinning so fast. Aw, no flopping is happening. It's no longer. They stopped. Oh, reverse flopping. He's flopping, but like in reverse. This is so cool. Aww. Oh. Boop, boop, boop. Whoa! He's doing flips for us, guys. Oh, it's kind of violent. I feel bad for Char. Oh, Char. It's okay, Char. You're gonna get clean after. This is so mesmerizing. This is so mesmerizing. Wow. You can hear the slapping sound. It's awesome. Bro, I want to know what it feels like to like give him a squeeze when he's just all filled with water. Like, should I pause the washing machine to like squeeze it? But I need to watch Shark wash. But he's floppy. This is the most, and oh my god, I want to give that little fatty a squeeze. Boop. He avoided my boop. How rude. Fair enough, he's flopping. Oh. He is so wet and floppy. Oh my god, he did a barrel roll. Oh, boop. He flop. His little fins must really hurt right now from all the slapping. Poor Shark. It's gonna be okay. Bye, Char. I'll be back later. I'll be back later when you're done washing, and then we can see you get dry in the dryer. Okay? Bye, Shark. I love you.